So today we're working with Cuisenaire rods. We're going to be working with the operations of addition and subtraction. We're going to start with identifying the number value of each of our Cuisenaire rods. And so we're going to start over here with the 1, which is our white. So our white is going to be equal to 1. Our red is going to be equal to 2. Light green is going to be equal to 3, and so on. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and our orange is going to be our 10. So after identifying the number values of each of our Cuisenaire rod colors, we're going to look at several different addition operation problems. So we're going to start with our black plus our dark green. And so to identify with our number value, we have our black is equal to 7. Because we're putting them together, we're going to add them. So we have 7 plus our dark green, which is going to give us 6. And we're wanting to find out how much these equal. So one way that we could do it is we could take the basis of 7 plus 6 equals our answer. Or we could take our 1s and line them up all the way across to count them out. So we have 7 whites plus our 6 whites. Which is going to give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So our answer is going to be 13. Another one that we can look at, we can take our purple plus our red and find out how much this is going to be equal to. So we can do the same concept of taking our whites and lining them up. And so we know that our purple is going to be equal to 4 plus our red, which is 2. And so 4 plus 2 is going to be 6. Because we count these out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, another way that we could find these addition problems is we could take our red plus our purple, and it will equal the same sum because we have the length of 6. We know that 4 plus 2 is 6, so 2 plus 4, if we reverse it and write 2 plus 4, will also be 6. And we can do that down the line with multiple different Cuisenaire rods. Okay, so that's our addition using the Cuisenaire rods. We're going to switch to our subtraction, and we're going to keep the same number system where we have our 1 through 10, the Cuisenaire rods. We're going to start with 8 minus 5. And what we're doing is we're trying to find how much this space right here is going to represent. So we know that our whole numbers are 8, and we're subtracting 5 from it, which is going to be equal to this empty spot right here. So we're going to plug in some numbers. We know that 2 is too small because that's our red. Our red is representative of 2. So we know that 2, there's still a space there, so we're going to go up 1 to our 3. And so we see that our 3 fills that empty space. So our 8 minus 5 is going to be equal to 3. So writing that in numbers is going to be 8 minus 5 equals 3. An additional subtraction problem, we could use a blue minus a purple equals our empty space right here. So if we take 9, which is our blue, minus our purple, which is 4, it's going to be equal to, we're going to use our whites this time to find our number. So we're going to find out how many whites will fill up our empty spot. So you see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whites fill up our empty spots, so we know that 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. And that's how we work with addition and subtraction using our Cuisenaire rods.